Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Now, you all know and love Fakar Black by Lattafa. It's beautiful fragrance, and we all know it's a dupe for YSL EDP. Everybody has it, everybody's wearing it, it's just magnificent. But there's a new kit on the shelf, and it's called Fakar Platine, and this is a dupe for YSL Elixir. Stunning fragrance as well. The bottles is just magnificent. I just love these rounding bottles. Now, the spray, it's awesome. You can respray a whole car with this. So the smell, sure. Now your top notes is a zesty, spicy blend of bergamot, pink pepper, and cardamom. Now your middle notes is vibrant combination of guava, lavender, and ginger, and it offers a mix of juicy fruitness and herbal warmth. Your bottom notes or base notes, deep and grounding scents of Palo Santo, incense, and sandalwood. So if you're on the lookout for a great gym and daily fragrance, Platine is for you, because this woody, fruity, and vergeurd scent is known for its energetic opening and a fresh all-day fragrance. Projection is good and won't kill anybody at the gym or office. Longevity is a good 6 hours on skin and an easy 8 hours on your clothing. Can you blind buy this fragrance? Yes, you can. This is a dupe for YSL Elixir. That should say more than enough. So great, stunning fragrance, guys. That's Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.